Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zoho Invoice Review My Usage Experience. Zoho Invoice Review My Usage Experience offers a cloud-based invoicing solution for freelancers and small businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline the invoicing process, allowing users to create, send, and track invoices easily. Key features include invoice creation, payment tracking, expense management, and client management. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Zoho Invoice boasts ease of use, transparent pricing with various plans to suit different needs, and integration with other Zoho applications. They emphasize a user-friendly interface and focus on helping businesses get paid faster. Availability is worldwide, and you can check their website for specific region availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zoho Invoice. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was incredibly straightforward. I was creating my first invoice within minutes of signing up. The interface is intuitive and clean. I particularly like the drag-and-drop functionality for adding items to invoices, and the automated email reminders for overdue payments were a lifesaver. Performance was excellent. The platform loaded quickly and responded instantly to my actions. I had a quick question about customizing invoice templates, and their support responded within a day via email, providing clear and helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Tracking outstanding invoices and client payments felt effortless. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated payment reminders. One minor drawback was the slightly limited customization options for invoice templates compared to some competitors. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for expense tracking, but once I grasped it, it became a valuable tool. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zoho Invoice. It's a robust and user-friendly solution that has significantly simplified my invoicing process. That's my overview of Zoho Invoice Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.